Hello, and welcome to the Bracelok Seismic Wall Bracing Training Session. Today you will learn how to install Bracelok Seismic bracing for part-height partition walls and demountable walls. Bracelok is a pre-engineered, ICC and OSHPD certified solution for seismically securing such walls. At Bracelok, we believe the way to better building practices is through great design, ease of installation, and advanced engineering compliance. Our core philosophy of saving lives, property, and assisting business continuation has led us to develop the Bracelok range of products. These solutions enable architects, designers, structural engineers, and construction professionals to mitigate the risk of non-structural failure in commercial buildings. So, let's get started.